Samsung S9 Plus screen and battery replacement for the customer. Remove the motherboard, upper earpiece, ultra-wideband antenna, left side ultra-wideband antenna. Gently remove the battery. Reinstall the vibrate motor. Install the lower charge port. Back to the ultra-wideband antenna and the other ultra-wideband antenna. Time to install that upper earpiece assembly. And here comes the motherboard mainframe for the phone. Next comes the battery. Slide the SIM card back in. Get a better look at it. Perform a preliminary power on test. Looking good. Let's go ahead and finish reassembling. Alright, the show is almost done. Most of the screws and panels are installed. It's time to put the back panel on. Align it across the top just like that and gently lower it down.